Coronaviruses are a group of related viruses that cause diseases in mammals and birds. In humans, coronaviruses cause respiratory tract infections that can range from mild to lethal. Mild illnesses include some cases of the common cold, while more lethal varieties can cause SARS, MERS, and COVID-19. This is a graphic image of coronavirus. It has a crown-like surface and hence the name coronavirus. Inside the virus, there is genetic information to make more copies of itself. A protein shell provides a hard protective coating for the genetic material inside. The spike-like structure is used as a key to get inside a body to infect it. Where do coronaviruses come from? Coronaviruses are circulating in animals, and some of these coronaviruses have the capability of transmitting between animals and humans. This is called a spillover. Here are some examples of such spillover in the past. SARS-CoV 2003 was associated with sea white cats. MERS-CoV 2012 was associated with dromedary camels. Possible animal sources of SARS-CoV-2 have not yet been confirmed. When was coronavirus first discovered in animals? Coronaviruses were first discovered in animals in the 1930s when an acute respiratory infection of domesticated chickens was shown to be caused by infectious bronchitis virus (IBV). When was human coronavirus first discovered? Human coronavirus were discovered in the 1960s. The earliest ones studied were from human patients with the common cold, which were later named human coronavirus 229E and human coronavirus OC43. Are there any other type of human coronavirus? Yes, of course. Other human coronaviruses have since been identified in the recent past, including SARS-CoV in 2003, HCoV NL63 in 2004, HKU1 in 2005, MERS-CoV in 2012, and SARS-CoV-2 in 2019. Most of these viruses have evolved serious respiratory tract infections. What is the name of the disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, the recently discovered virus in 2019? COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, the most recently discovered coronavirus. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Some patients may have aches and pains, nasal congestions, running nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. These symptoms are usually mild and begin gradually. Some people become infected but don't develop any symptoms and don't feel unwell. Most people recover from the disease without needing special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problems, or diabetes are more likely to develop serious illness. People with fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing should seek medical attention immediately. How does COVID-19 spread? The disease can spread from person to person through small respiratory droplets, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs, sneezes, or exhales. What is the cure for COVID-19? To date, there is no vaccine and no specific antiviral medicine to prevent or treat COVID-19. However, symptoms can be treated. People with serious illness should be hospitalized. What are the hygiene habits to be followed to prevent COVID-19? Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Make sure you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. This means covering your mouth and nose